Hey everybody, welcome back. So this last video for now is going to be about how you launch your website officially. So after you've gone through every page, every canvas, and you've input your own images, your own text and everything, and you are ready to go, you've done your SEO settings, you've hidden things if they need to be hidden, you've double, triple, quadruple checked everything. What you're going to do is go over to your site settings up at the top, and you're going to make sure now that you have your domain information. So if you haven't bought a domain yet, we recommend going to Google Domains, and you can just Google it and find it, and then you'll be able to click and buy the domain that you want your website to be. We recommend that it's not too confusing and that it's something that relates to your business. For example, our domain is saltsocialco.com. You could also buy something like catswithrainboots.org or something like that, whatever you want your website to be. Once you have that done and purchased, you are going to get something called DNS records. And this is really important to have, and it's going to be within your Google workspace and your domains, or if you purchased your domain from GoDaddy or another place, you would be able to find it there as well. It's not something that you would find within your Showit account. It is going to be found wherever you purchased your domain name from. Within your Showit account, though, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you connect it to your DNS records. And how you do that is you're going to first click into site settings, and you're going to want to change the name of your website. Obviously, your business is not called Bel Air Template, so you'd want to erase this and put in whatever the name of your business is. So maybe if we're doing the Cats with Rain Boots one, it would be Cats with Rain Boots Shop, or something like that. And then you're going to make sure that you do your favicon. Your favicon is going to be an image that you add to your media library. And that is this little image right here that shows up at the very top whenever somebody's on your website. In their browser window, they can see the image. So usually it's a small version of your logo. If you are doing custom branding, usually your brand designer will design a favicon for you. You could also have it be a plain color, something that relates to your business that differentiates your website from other tabs that somebody might have open. So you'll choose that. And then your vanity slug, you'll want to edit this as well. You could click it, and this is what it will preview and look like when you're previewing your site and things like that. So you would want this to be the name of your business or your website as well. It should match the site name. You can change the language if you need to. We recommend that you just sort of leave all of this as you need to. And then when you're ready, after doing all of that, you're going to click domain, and it'll say domain not set. And that's because you haven't put in your DNS records yet, and that's okay. You would click edit. Ours is going to look a little bit different, and I'm not going to confuse you by showing you, but you're going to click edit and then follow the extra steps in our PDF guide. And Showit has a great team that will also help you if you have questions about adding your DNS records. But essentially what it's going to be is you're going to grab the information from Showit, and you're going to type it in exactly as it's telling you into your domain area within Google Domains or GoDaddy, and then you will be able to have your website live at the address that you purchased. Once you have all of this done, it'll say save, and you'll click save, and you should be ready to go. The last thing that you will need to do in order to have your website up and ready to share with the entire world is you're going to want something that is called an SSL certificate. And that is, if you can see this little lock mark right at the top, and that just tells somebody that's browsing your website that this is a safe and secure website that is updated, and if for some reason they're purchasing something on your website, it's safe for them to type in their credit card information or purchase something from you. Now, Showit gives every single person that has a website with them a free SSL certificate, which is awesome. And the way that you'll need to add that is you'll need to come down here to your chat area and reach out to the Showit team, and you will need to ask them to add an SSL certificate for you, which usually can be done within about a day. Lastly, if you are launching your blog at the same time that you are launching your website, you are going to want to make sure that your blog is set up to be live as well. And that is going to be also within your site settings. And if you click to another tab that says blog at the top, it'll say that it's not set right now. And that's because you also need to reach out to the Showit team to help you get your blog set up. Now, you already have the blog pages done for you within your purchase of our template, but they will get your WordPress blogging blogging account set up. Or if you already have a blog, let's say you have a blog on a different website and you're redoing your website, they will be able to migrate and move all of your blog posts and everything over to your new Showit website for you. Sometimes that can take a couple of days. Sometimes it can take up to a week, but you'll need to reach out to the Showit team. You can chat with them or send them an email, and they should be able to help you migrate your blog and get that live as well so that you can start blogging within your Showit website.